Hello and welcome to the installation and maintenance videos for Ilan. I'm Fernando de Zayas and I will be the narrator for this video. To start, this video assumes that you have downloaded MetaTrader 4 and have the corresponding meta editor for working. Along with have downloaded the current version of Ilan, which should be Ilan1_4.r space v9 with sprint 7 in parentheses afterwards. If that still applies, then let's begin. To install Ilan, after having downloaded it, open Meta Editor, go to File, Open Data Folder, navigate to MQL4 and then Experts, and anywhere you drop it in here, anywhere that you drop Ilan in here, whether inside another folder or in this directory by itself, MetaTrader 4 will discover it. Going back to MetaTrader 4, if you just drop it in the basic directory, it will be shown here. If you drop it in a folder, you might have to navigate through several subfolders depending on how you organize it. So in my case, it would be here. Okay, so now MetaTrader 4 has found Ilan. Now to actually install it. Select one of these windows for a currency pair, double click Ilan, and it will ask if you want to stop the current expert advisor and execute this expert advisor, which should be Ilan. Click yes. It would give some copyright information, inputs. Just click OK. With that, Ilan is installed. Now for maintenance, let's go back to Meta Editor 4. In most cases, you're going to want to try optimizing on type, lot exponent, lots, take profit, max trades, and RSI period. Those will be the most likely variables in here that you'd like to optimize on. You could try off the others, but they're not gonna do as much as you'd expect. I've put comments next to each of these in case you want to have a better idea of what they do, so feel free to look at them at your own convenience. Oh, right. Back to MetaTrader 4 for a second. This button up here for auto trading, this one you want to turn on if you want to use the expert advisor. If you see a red circle with a white square inside, that means it is stopped. If you click it and you see a green circle with a play symbol or an arrow pointing to the right, that means it is enabled. Okay, back to Meta Editor 4. In terms of maintenance, there's not really much to say. Just keep a backup of whatever version you're working on. And the logic for this, I tried to be as self-explanatory as I could with all of the comments. I should also mention that the logic for the trades, even though it should make sense regardless of how you word it, when it actually comes to the trades, more often than not, you will be making a loss or a lot less profit than you'd expect just from how the market goes. Well, that's it for the installation and maintenance of Ilan 1.4. Thank you for your time.